In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to screen record with sound on iPhone running the latest iOS. First, launch your control center. For that, swipe down from the top of your screen to open your control center. Now over here, you're going to find the screen recording icon. This is the screen recording icon. If you cannot find it over here, what you will need to do is click on this plus option given at the top left. With that, you will be directed to this page. At the top, you're going to find the option of search controls. Over there, type in screen recording and tap on it. With that, it will be added to your control center. Now, how can you screen record? For that, you'll need to press and hold on the screen recording icon. Now, enable microphone and again tap on it. With that, countdown will start and screen recording will start along with the audio. So this way you can easily screen record with sound on iPhone running latest iOS version. So that's the wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.